RCPspoofs and... No, I'm not. I'm videotaping. Here, computer. Me? Are you serious? Yeah. Oh, crap. And Puff the Magic Dragon. It is a balloon animal. I went to a New Year's party last night, and there was a balloon guy. I asked him to make me Puff the Magic Dragon, and I'd have to say, this...
He did a really weird job. The red one looks like...
It's a tongue, okay? I mean, it's fire. It's fire. This thing is fire. The thing sticking out of his mouth is fire.
I'm sure it is.
I mean, like, but his arm, the balloon, his arm shrunk for some reason, because apparently the balloon guy popped it. But check out his face. I have to say, that's a really cool dragon face. Especially the eyes. The first time he tried to draw the eyes, it popped.
I hope it popped.
But like, his body is kind of a stick body, but his face looks like Puff the Magic Dragon's face.
Swear to God, I'm gonna pop it. Put that near my face. Crap.
It loves you, Jenna. It loves you. Like,
No!
I'm gonna burn you.
Crazy.
I didn't take my photo today, so I'm kind of. Oh yeah, and also we got a penguin.
The penguin's smaller.
Check out his tongue. His tongue's sexy right here. Look at that. It's so. Just kidding. You nerd, is that your phone?
Yeah. What of it?
Watch this, he's gonna box. He's gonna box if I can move his arms. Bam!
Woo! It's in the camera's way. Can't see.
Would you stop it? Move your phone.
No.
Aww! What the hell? What? Put the camera on Boots. Cat. Look at that cat. Watch how fat he is. He is a monster. Look at that thing. Oh, wait. Look at him. He's huge. He's like Flubber. He jiggles as much as Flubber. Booster, say hi to the camera. Hi! He's gonna bite me later. Okay, so the reason we haven't been posting
is because we're lazy and school hates us.
Yes, exactly. Because we're lazy and school hates us. But we're gonna try. We have some new friends.
Oh God.
Which will probably help us.
Oh yeah, Camila's totally gonna help us.
Okay, you know, Danny just has problems. He can't help it. And plus, he refuses to help unless we put boobs in the thumbnail. We're not going to, I promise.
Oh, yeah, now people are devastated.
The devastation begins. Okay, so we got a bunch of new friends. We got pan pizza. Yes, he's pizza flavored, I swear.
You would know.
Shut up! Just because he's our boyfriend doesn't mean I would know.
There you go! I can't crack this nut.
Should try to crack some nuts.
Here you go. You're gonna need it later.
Oh! I was trying to...
I'm hungry. Again.
Okay, what do you want to eat? I'm gonna crack this cat's head. Ew, is that a foot? That's a foot. The foot. You like this container of nuts right here, don't you?
You guys just went up on that one.
Yeah. You guys are like, oh my god. Ew, what is that?
It's dried up and old.
Makes me want to break it because like the old ones are like. Look at this. I think that's mold.
Some guys are now looking at the TV.
Oh yeah, we're watching Tosh, by the way. The kid's like teabagging a steering wheel. I'm not opening this.
My sister teabags her best friend on Call of Duty.
Oh, you know what? Very.
Well, it's Mia. Oh, you just cracked that nut.
Whoa.
Oh, she's fascinated, you guys.
No, this one's so weird.
Yep. It's her first time. Look at her go.
No, look at this.
Yeah, I don't find fascination.
Okay, you know what? We both have ADHD, so you can just suck it, man. It's real nice. I mean, look how big this one is, just for you. This one's just for...
See, look at that.
Oh, no way!
The gift that I put on
That
is on
one-
Daniel Tosh.
That is on you. That's... We put that. We posted that. The gift thing that's on Tosh. We posted that. The one with the baseball, and he, like, spins it. Oh, dropped it. Okay.
Oh,
He, like,
dropped
spins
the
it.
nut.
Oh, see, look, he's doing it right now. He's trying, at least. Never mind. Is that Tosh?
Yep, that's Daniel Tosh.
This is Tosh, okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, Jen.
That is called the Tyler. It's a skin color!
No, it's not! He's not this dark.
He's black.
No, he's not.
I just hate him because he's black.
What?
Oh yeah.
You're mean.
You're mean.
You're mean.
You're a weenie
You're
meanie.
mean. You're like double rainbow mean. Yeah, I went there. What is it?
I think he's peeing while walking.
Ew! That
Ew!
is freaking gross. Can you open this, please?
William Johnson covered it. Why is it that Daniel Tosh always covers something that Roy Williams Johnson covered?
Fail. Who's this one? Hey, give me the
That's
cracker.
Scott Pilgrim's intro. You do
Give me the
that.
Scott.
Don't. Oh my god, the panda bear is attacking this one guy.
William Johnson.
Yep.
Yeah, it was.
You serious?
Yeah, I've seen that one before.
How's it you've seen it and I haven't seen it? I watch him every day.
Okay. We've been watching Tosh Cornell for about 2 episodes. How many episodes?
3. This is our 3rd one.
3 episodes. 3 episodes. 3 episodes.
That was a
I
fail,
know.
dude. Wow.
It's even funnier because it's live. Or, well, like,
This is live.
live.
What
This
the hell?
is a U-Star camera? I didn't know that. Bunch of guys just grab their balls right as they breakfast. And if you are one of those guys that grab that, I'll laugh at you.
You're horrible.
Bring it in, get you down. Bring it on,
Who? Who?
Orton.
Who's who?
What the heck?
What?
I think you made a joke about Jay Leno. Dude, I need to get a baby cat and the laptop. And my legs refuse to.
Here, I'll move the laptop in a second. I'm just eating this one. Okay, we're gonna bring the laptop into the kitchen. Don't answer him.
It's Cody.
Oh,
Not Orton.
why did I have to say that?
I don't. That's my text message ringtone for everybody. I'm calling.
Hi, fat cat. Don't. My mom's gonna kill me for this. Look how fat he is.
just